Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I am here with another new video in which I will explain you about the Bluetooth settings in your Mi 12 and 12 Pro. Firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video I will show about you if your Bluetooth is not working and how you can fix it. If your Bluetooth is showing any issue or it's not working, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video.